This is Jeff. Jeff is an IT manager at OK Widget Company. He spends his days making sure the employees of OK Company all have OK hardware and software technology to get their jobs done so that they can sell the OK widgets. Every year, Jeff is tasked with upgrading a portion of OK Company's old, outdated computers, tablets, and mobile devices, replacing it with brand new technologies. So this year, Jeff did what any OK IT manager would do. On top of his department's day-to-day activities and firefighting, he began to compare prices, negotiate, and then eventually he ordered the technology equipment from multiple vendors. Jeff was pleased with his purchase. His superiors were proud. Thanks to Jeff, everything was looking okay. But Jeff, being an experienced IT manager, knew that this whole process wasn't over and it wasn't going to be easy, and that everything in IT isn't always okay. The next week, Jeff got a call that some technology equipment had been delivered to the OK shipping and receiving dock. With tablets coming in from one vendor, laptops from another, and smartphones from yet another, the shipping and receiving department was in disarray. Jeff's team began to exchange the employees' old equipment for the new tech they received. Jeff soon got a call that everything wasn't just not okay, it was kind of bad. Many of the laptops were the wrong model and did not have the required features that the OK Company employees needed. He called the laptop vendor to clear up the mishap, only to realize he could not easily find where the deployed laptops actually were and who received the wrong model laptops within his organization. He put out an email asking everyone to check their model number and get back to him. It took a month before he tracked down the employees who received the wrong model laptops. He went to retrieve their old computers for them to use in the meantime, only to find that they had been left in a storage closet, many broken, and some were just plain lost. None of this was okay. Then started the calls from the finance department that his receipts did not match the quote he received from the smartphone vendor. Uh-oh, not okay. In the midst of this, he realized he had never seen the tablets that were delivered. He contacted shipping and receiving, and they confirmed that they had been delivered and were somewhere within the warehouse, but no one could find them among the widgets that were normally in the OK Company warehouses. It was a mess. Jeff was stressed, and most importantly, the business processes were interrupted at OK Company. Jeff's superiors were not impressed. Now let's see how Awesome Company handled this problem. Meet Jane, the IT manager at Awesome Company. When she was tasked with upgrading their old tech, she used Resource Partners MITL, Managed IT Logistics, to manage and streamline the entire IT lifecycle process. Resource received and deployed the IT assets for Jane and Awesome Company. When Resource received the shipments of laptops and reconciled the items received to the POs, they noticed right away the same problem Jeff had. What was ordered was different than what was actually received. RP immediately informed the vendor that the laptops received did not match the purchase order and all was fixed within a week. Resource then loaded all of the laptops with Awesome Company's image, company logo, asset tagged them, and added them to an IT asset tracking database. When the day came to deploy the new tech to Awesome Company's employees, Resource fully managed the deployment of the new assets to the desks of the Awesome Company employees and the reverse logistics of their old assets. Resource securely handled all of the old technology, removing all identifying marks like company logos and asset tags, recording all of the information, removing all of the sensitive corporate data from the hard drives, and even stored some of their old technology. RP sold and recycled some of the equipment. The rest were restored with the operating system and sold back to their employees at a discount for personal use. The employees thought that was pretty awesome. All the while, every asset was accounted for. Jane knew where they were and who had them. She had a clear visibility into the assets that she is responsible for. This all made Jane feel secure, protected, supported. Basically, she felt awesome. Jane's superiors thought she was so awesome, they promoted her to VP. So what's it going to be for your IT? Awesome or okay? Resource, MITL, the most solid management for your IT assets from cradle to grave.